Good morning. I'm rolling up here on the job site this morning. Huskins. It is another big HVAC pickup here for my buddy Pete. So it's probably going to be hot water tank, air handler, furnace, maybe an A-frame. Where the hell am I going? Harrison Court? Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, there he is there. So yeah, it's a good gig for me, for them. They're billing Fortis, like I said, they're making good money. Let's see where it is here. Condra's Cooling and Heating. Okay, there they are. I see some stuff there. Now I'm gonna try that again. All right. Look at this guy here. Washing his car. Winter. All right. Why not, eh? Why not? Come on, guys. Cut me some slack here. Open the door. Do something. It's perfect. Yeah. Because I don't want to cut through this guy's driveway, even though that would... At first I was like, oh, I'd like to park in this guy's driveway, but you know how people are, right? we just want everyone to have a nice day here and not to get anyone's knickers in a knot. Because knicker knotting is just not where it's at.
So that's it.
Okay, these here and then that. Yeah. Okay, perfect.
Made it easy for you.
Yeah, you got her all boxed up here.
I used all the boxes from the equipment.
Perfect. I think that should fit in like that. Let me. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put that there, let you in, and then I'm gonna throw one more. Yeah, you're busy, man. You got stuff to do. No, I got this. Yeah, you're in the middle. You're working here. Yeah, I got you. All right. So, what do we got here? We got Ooh. How you doing, Adam?
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, no problem. Sounds good. You don't have to pay, but you got my first invoice, just making sure. Wait till there's like 6. We've done 5 or 6 or whatever.
This one, and then I'll pay you 2.
Sure. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, you know what to do. Okay. All right, good. No, I got it. You guys are busy. I got this. All right, well, we got some good stuff here with some value. We got one set of coils here. So the plan is we got this garbage here. So we got another load of garbage to pick up. Ooh, but actual garbage. So we're gonna plan for a dump run here. Just gonna pre-process this a little bit here I'm gonna get the wood and cardboard out and send that over to the garage for burning, obviously, as should probably know by now. That's what I do. Just like to burn a little cardboard, and we're gonna I'm working on getting a bandsaw today. I saw a nice one. It's only a 10-inch, but it's got a nice old motor on it that's switchable between 110 and 240. So that's going to be a real powerhouse. Once I set up, I set up 110 out here, so that'll be incentive for me to run 110 out to the garage. Then I can just have an absolute ripper of a bandsaw there. But yeah, anyway, that's good for now. So yeah, that's the main goods. Tin, bit of garbage here, so keep sorting that out. I guess we'll get another can here for shred. And then we'll turn. All right, we'll get one can for shred. Okay, that one's. We'll get a garbage can over here for. No, we'll do a garbage bag for garbage, and then we'll keep sorting this out here. Get one of these nice things here. So, just sorting out here. Can, garbage, cardboard can go to the garage. This can all go to the garage. All right. I need some Lego in here. Oop. That's not what I wanted. There. There. Empty. I'll make this a little scrap box here. Garbage. Scrap. Where am I going here? Scrap. Scrap, scrap. Go through this one here. Garbage. Could use another. Oh, okay, that's aluminum. Should be anyways. Huh. Garbage, okay. I think I'm going to start one dedicated garbage box here. Do this one. Maybe that one. Aluminum, scrap. steps. All right. Okay, this is a first of a two-part pickup. Microwave, 3 bags of leaves. Come on. And in the trailer, just this chunk of wood here. Okay, it's for the same guy. This is a realtor. He's an old buddy of mine, though. We used to party together back when I did that sort of thing, so. All right. Okay, so fair bit here. Got the garbage side, and that's the keep side. And I think that was it. I'll have to check the photos after. But we have a mighty load here. I might end up, this is clean particle board here. As clean as particle board can be. We'll put all that together, because we might end up, I'm gonna have to charge something decent for this. Something pretty decent, I think. I'm gonna throw out the garbage first, and then we'll see. I might end up, like I say, just these here. This is probably 200 pounds, maybe 200 pounds just in particle board, with a clean particle board anyways. I don't like burning anything with laminate on it, but so this stuff here, so we'll put that to one side here, and then get that out of the way, since it's definitely the worst stuff. Got some nice vintage 70s panel board. It's always desirable. I think you can still buy this stuff here at Home Depot. It's always some sucker like me who likes that look. You didn't like it when you're growing up, but now that you're an adult, I mean, it's designed to look like plywood, so how is that appealing? But anyway, it is in fact appealing. Okay, so we're going to be full here. It's a lot of sortable material. Okay, we go with there. It's burnable. It's pressure treated. Might put some of this stuff in the truck here. Anything that's this is clean wood too. That needs sorting. Anything that's sortable, or the metal. I'm gonna put it in there. Bags, always worth looking into. Ooh, an old vacuum hose. Can usually sell those for 20 bucks. Even, might even see that, even though it's an old junker. There's always someone whose hose has been lost or broken. And they are in dire need of, let's see, does it have the connector? Yeah. So the metal just makes the connection. And there's a bit of tape on it. It's probably not even that bad. And a couple pieces there. But anyway, it's always worth trying to sell it. And if not, it's all metal around there, so that's easily scrappable kind of thing, so. All right. Scrap. Ooh, that's a heavy wheelbarrow, man. That is a... heavy. Ooh, there's some nice old vintage gate there. Look at that little thing there. Ooh. I guess it's scrap. It's just a little too weird. All right, I got there. That's okay. That's a nice extruded here. I got that super heavy sucker there. Let's see. See some firewood there. All right, we'll sort through this here. Yeah, the system is metal and sortables in the truck, so we'll try to empty it. Let's get this monster in here. So I'm going to take this home. Oh, that's got some weight. Yeah. Ooh. And I don't want to do it here. It's going to send too much. Get in there. There we go. Send too much. I'll take it home and break the concrete off it. Exactly. Yeah, well, just keep having a look. If there's anything you want, it's mostly going in the garbage here. So.
This is trim.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, that's all garbage to me. I don't want any of that. Some of this stuff I might be saving, but most of it's going to be almost all of it's crap here. Yeah, no, nice, good. Good, I'm glad that's... Oh, are they really sharp when they're new?
Yeah. Well, the newer ones, this is thick.
Uh-huh.
The other ones are like more like potato slicer.
Ah.
About half as thick as this.
Well, they're cheaper, but they're maybe better, but they wear out quick.
Yeah, well, so this one is it moves, right?
Oh, it's got some flex to it?
No, well, it's like a finger. It's like this.
Yeah, I see. It's going back and forth a bit there. Good, because he does love it. He does love Dogecoin.
He also loves to crash.
He loves being a troll.
Yeah, he loves to crash
crash his Tesla stock.
He loves to cry. Exactly. Yeah, because, well, he was supposed to get paid out all this money, right, for his big stock options, and it never ended up happening, actually.
Yeah, he sends a couple tweets, and then all the Tesla owners who have stock in it are like,
What the hell? Exactly. Yeah, and just trash it. Yeah, because like exactly, you know, he is a bit of a troll.
yeah,
So
he's a shit disturber.
he's a shit disturber. Okay, good. The rest is leaves. I'm gonna take those to my box. We got metal. We got some clean wood for the fireplace. We got one more bag left to go. And let's see what we got here. Probably nothing. This is probably going to be a whole big nothing burger. Oh, what do we got here? There's some scrap. No scrap. Those, I don't know. Let's have a quick look at them here. They are Graco.
Those are
Hearing aid thing?
hearing aids.
I bet you it's a hearing aid thing.
They are hearing aid things.
Yeah, that seems about right. Okay, so that's what that is. That's what that is. Okay, good. Yes, I recycle that shit.
I'm going on break.
Go on break. Get the hell out of here, Jake. Okay, see you, buddy. All right. Get the hell out. Well, that took some work. It's free though.